Okay, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. Okay, I've completed replacing my 6x4 adapter on this Hammond B3 organ, and reorganized all the cords here, and also the tremolo corral switch cord there, and used a shrink ramp where I needed my connections here, and also in there as well. There's a shrink wrap in there. Use these little brackets here to help organize, little holders to organize the wires, to make things look neat. And there it is. So I've already tested the organ, and it's playing perfect. I was going to rebuild the 428 kit, but decided to just go ahead and switch this out. Change out the 664 adapter, and figured that would resolve the issues that I was having with my switching. And so far so good. So I'm going to leave it at that for right now. If I have any more problems with switching, then I'll go ahead and rebuild this kit, because I have the parts to do it. All right, so that's it for right now. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, doing what I do. Peace out.